Let's take another look at our coconut moving code. Remember how we multiplied negative 2.5 by time.delta time? Let's talk about that. Remember that the update method is called every frame. That means if we're running at 60 frames per second, it gets called around every 16 milliseconds. For VR, update might be called 60 times a second, 90 times a second, or even 120 times a second. You really can't be certain how often update will be called. Since we don't know how often update will be called, we have to use time.delta time to smooth out the motion over time. Time.delta time gives you frame rate independent animation. It contains the fraction of a second that it took the previous frame to draw. That's why I can just multiply it with a factor like 2.5 to achieve a constant motion. The reason is, if my frame takes double as long to draw, I should move the object double as far. It's a smart idea, right? This means that even if you run at 300 frames per second, your coconut will always fall at 2.5 meters per second. No faster, no slower. Okay, now you know how to program smooth animation over time.